Convicted of murder and serving a quarter of a century locked up, Juan Mendiola is fighting his case before the high courts, contending he was defending himself the day he shot and killed John Rios Jr. Defense attorney Joshua Walsh.
The Superior Court proceeded with Mr. Mendiola's jury trial without the public, ignoring the administrative order of this court. The Superior Court ignored the command to protect the constitutional rights of litigants in the age of COVID, cobbled together a series of procedures, and proceeded without a public trial.
Walsh arguing castle doctrine, the shooting occurring in an apartment building in Mongmong in May 2020. While Mendiola wants a second shot at fighting his case in the lower court, prosecuting attorney Marianne Woloshuk says the conviction should stand.
Criminals should not be given a free pass just because the COVID pandemic happened. The facts are that the victim was waiting inside his friend's place for somebody to pick him up. The defendant tried to come in. I think the victim had a knife, so the defendant left, and instead of going home, he went to his truck and got his gun and came back. The defendant brought a gun to a knife fight and the victim got killed.
Today's hearing happening in a rather unconventional way. This clearly isn't the Supreme Court of Guam courtroom.
Students get the opportunity to watch live arguments in a real pending case, which gives them the opportunity to observe firsthand the appellate process in action, and will give you an opportunity to participate in a question and answer with the justices and attorneys after the case is completed.
The justices will now mull over their decision on whether or not to grant Mendiola's request to have his conviction overturned or deny it, leaving him locked up for the next couple of decades. Julianne Hernandez, KUAM News.